Okay, here's a few examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted, and the white that you see is the reflection from the lights. Just to show you up a bit closer, I think these pieces of brown might polish off there, cut off. Finishes there, it splits and has gone off in a different direction. And as you can see, you're buying just the faces, not much else potential. A little long piece, not a lot of fire, but interesting sort of pattern in here. No blue greens, little bits of pink through here. Peters out over here into matrix sort of material. Pretty little stone in the middle here. Yellow green fire. Oops. Maybe use the porcelain potch to use it as a frame to make a picture with it. Again, nothing in the back. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.